Yeah. Welcome to my YouTube channel. The name to many saying I'm Kendall Rhymes, co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yay! So I welcome all my new subscribers to my new episode. Yeah. So on today's episode is for only my music lovers, music producers, music artists, and all the music industry. Yeah, I want to show you how you can sell your music and make 20 cedis per download through Momo. Yeah, you receive your money directly through your Momo when someone download one of your track. Yeah, so you will place a price tag on it. Let's say you want to sell one track for, let's say, 10 cedis or 20 cedis, depending on your stardom and how much you want to tag your music. Yeah, so and this site is based in Africa. Yeah, it's not based in, let's say, abroad, where they will ask you about your PayPal and this kind of things. And in Ghana, we don't allow PayPal. PayPal is something else. Yeah, so this is good news for all our music lovers. So I will show you the sites, how you can place or put or upload your music on this site, and they will send you a link for you to share it. So when someone click on the link, then they will ask towards purchase a true mobile money or bank account, depending on the account you prefer. Yeah, so no time to waste. We'll jump on my phone screen and I'll show you the site and what you have to do to create the site and how you can upload your music over there. But first of all, I will leave the link in my description in case you want to visit the site and create accounts over there, so that you'll be posting all your music over there. Yeah, so join me on my phone screen and let's start it. I'm out. Show you how you can make 20 cedis per download. Yeah, so first of all, you will click on the link in my description and download the app or registered on the app. Yeah, it's your Google Chrome, and after that, then you go to Google Chrome and open your account. Yeah, so you open your account, then you go towards your dashboard. You go to your dashboard. So let me start everything. Let me go to my dashboard. Yeah, so this is how my dashboard looks like. Yeah, then I will add products. Yeah, I'll add products, and you know that music is digital products, so I'll click on what digital products. Please don't skip any part. If you skip any part, you have skipped your own thing, Charlie. So you click on next, then it was you wait till it load. Yeah, so right now you see that we have image, we have name of product, we have say price. So then you click on the image you have to put your cover art over there. So I've clicked on the image, then it will load. Then I'll click on this. Let's assume I want this one to be the cover art, so I'll click on that. Then it's what it is loading. Right now it's uploading. Then the name of the product, you have to do it like this, something like this. Let's say Kenny Rhymes, like in your own way, but you have to bring the artist name and the track's name. By over there, but I don't add on my own because I always produce my own. So the price, then you add, let's say, 20 cedis. So this means that when someone downloads the music, one download will generate you 20 cedis. So you write something that will be catchy and attract people to download. Let's say Listen, please download my new track. Please buy my new track to support. Okay, something like that. Please buy my new track to support. New track to support your boy. Support your boy. Yeah, your boy. Something like that. Yeah. And then you come to you come to the category. Music is what content media. So you select content media. Then subcategory must be what music or audio. Yeah. So after that, like this this a pre-order product. Pre-order product means that like people can purchase your music before the actual release date. But me, I want to release right now. Yeah. So then I'll upload the music. So watch how we are doing it. So then I'll upload the music. So right now it's downloading. Then it will upload on it. Everything will upload. Yeah, and I told you that the top creates your product, then it will create a link for you. Then I click on the link. Then this is how it is. So this is the link. So I can copy the link here. By Kenny Rhymes it. Then I'll share on Facebook, on WhatsApp to my friends. And when someone buy it now, they will buy it through mobile money. Yeah, it's through mobile money. Yeah, if they buy it, it's through what's mobile money. It's through mobile money. I'm something. It's through mobile money. I want to show you so that you will believe it. You see the thing? Yeah. So when you buy it, it will be on my account, my mobile money account. Yeah. So if you pay now, yeah, it will be on your mobile money account. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. If this video is good for you, and I've shown you some short way to make money, please subscribe, like, share to your friends so that my channel will grow higher. The name still remain the same. I'm Ken Rank, and I'm out.